Celebrity news website get tons of traffic every single day because this particular website niche already have an inbuilt audience set aside for you. If you're running a celebrity website, you're going to simply help you a lot to gain a lot of visitors, a lot of traffic every single day on your website. This is a celebrity news website, and this particular website get tons of traffic every single day. On the sidebar of this very website, you're going to see advertisement. On the right side, you're also going to simply see advertisement. And this particular website only talks about Taiwan celebrities, okay, which means if they are monetized with advertisement, they are also going to be getting higher CPM. And the best part of this particular stuff right here is that you get traffic every single day because there are a lot of celebrities you can actually talk about on your website. And this is not only the website that does this. This particular website also posts about celebrities, okay. You can talk about football celebrities, music celebrities, movie celebrities. There are a lot of them out there, okay, and all of them are all monetized, okay. And this very video, we're going to be doing few simple steps, all right. So this first step, I'm going to be showing you viral trend discovery site where you can actually get a lot of trending updates about any celebrity of your choice, okay. And the second step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your content about the celebrities you've already discovered, okay. Third step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually publish this post and also monetize your website, okay. The fourth step, I'm going to be showing you the traffic sources that you can actually utilize right now to gain traffic to your website. The fans of those people that you're talking about are your traffic. So these people already have fan base. And the last but not the least step, I'm going to be showing you the viral celebrity niches that you can actually utilize right now and get this thing done for yourself, okay. So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. If you come to this very website right here, all of them publish every single day. So most of them don't really know about these guys, okay. All they need to do is simply look out for this particular website, which I'm going to review right now. And these are secret website they use every single day, okay. So the first secret website they use to discover trend about any celebrity is IMDb, okay. So under IMDb, this is a movie website. So this particular website right here is going to simply give you list of trending celebrities right now in the movie industry. As their name has been listed here, so add a search trend, okay. Pick the name right here, okay. So all you need to do is simply pick the name right here and you go ahead and follow them on their social media pages, okay. And that's going to simply be giving you daily update about the person you want to follow, okay. And apart from that, there are other ways to actually go about this, okay. Look out for top trending movies online right now, okay. So those top trending movies, those characters will also be trending, those celebrities will also be trending as well, okay. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for top trending movies online, either on Google or use TikTok or use YouTube, okay. Other platform you can actually utilize right now to get this done is YouTube, okay. Just go over to your YouTube and search for celebrity news, right. So this one right here is going to simply give you first-hand class access of whatever thing you want to do, all right. You can show right here, this one was published 17 hours ago, this one right here was published 20 hours ago, just to show you that this particular stuff right here is trending and people likes it a lot, okay, because they already have an audience base, which means you're not going to be bothering yourself about traffic. You're not going to be looking for traffic and all of that. All you need to do is simply get your website fully developed for you, monetized for you, and you use this strategy which I'm going to show you right here to write your content and also attract a lot of traffic, okay, and also gain some traction on your Astera and also on your Montage, okay. So apart from YouTube, you can actually use Pinterest, okay. Just go to Pinterest and you search for celebrity. So all you need to do right now is simply scroll down. You're going to see lot of them right here, okay. The next strategy to get trend and update about any celebrity to talk about is using Google Trends. Just look out for Google Trends because we want higher traffic and also higher CPM. We're going to be utilizing USA, which is United States right here. You can see these are the ones that are trending and this stuff right here are active trend, okay. So having known all of this stuff right now, the second strategy is actually start writing this content, okay. So remember, this is the news website these guys are using to run their business right here, and we've already built and developed our own news website already, okay. It's called Celebrity Lifestyle, okay. We've already added our advertisement in it, okay. We've done this particular celebrity website and the result has been encouraging, okay. So you can actually build something like this or get a developer to develop this from scratch, or if you don't have a developer, my team handles that and they can also handle that for you. So once your website is fully developed and delivered to you, all you need to do is simply log into your website, okay. So click on this, let's close this ad, right, click on dashboard. All right, so once you have that in place, the next you need to do right now is to actually go ahead and start writing your content. Okay, once your website is fully developed and monetized. All right, click on this add new post, but before that, make sure you have all the necessary plugins installed on your website. Okay, you go to my channel right here and you can actually watch this video right here, this video or this very one right here. Okay, so two of them I've already made a full detailed video on how to actually add the right plugins. So once you have that in place, go back to this very section right here, click on this post button right here. If you're running this type of website, you need to publish every single day, every single time, and people will take you more serious if you are showing up consistently. All right, they will know that this particular person mean business. We're going to simply pick a trending celebrity right now that is trending. Okay, so you can pick that from any of these websites which I've already shown you already. The first website is this particular one right here, which is IMDb. The second website, YouTube, and pick latest trend, then start writing them. Okay, you can publish 3 times in a day, you can publish 4 times in a day on your website with this strategy. Okay, just make sure you take this serious as a business. Let's say I want to use this one, I'm going to simply filter to the latest trend. Okay, the active trend only. So once you have that in place, then these are the active trend right now, and let's say I want to talk about it. Okay, once you pick that, then go back to this particular website, just go to Cloudy AI right here. Once you come to this very section, go ahead and paste that particular topic. Okay, so remember this is just one, right? You can post as many as possible. Okay, go ahead and copy this particular prompt right here. This is the prompt you have to copy. Okay, so if you need this prompt, let me know in the comment section. All right, go ahead and copy this. If you need this prompt, let me know in the comment section so I can actually send it to you. Add it here. Okay, give it to Cloudy AI. We're not giving the AI the whole job to do for us. Okay, we're gonna simply go ahead and edit it. Click on this copy button, go over to your website. Okay, then you're gonna simply add it here, then copy this, then paste. Go ahead and edit it the way you want it. Go ahead and edit it. So I like to edit my content. You can see the category is celebrity right here. So once you have the category selected, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and add featured image. Okay, you can use featured image of that particular person you're talking about, but some images will have copyright issues. Okay, you can write to the person that they should give you right to use it. Okay, or you can actually give credit to the person that owns the image. Okay, since the person is known for fitness, we can actually start searching fitness right here. Then when you search for fitness, you can actually pick a picture that looks like something we are talking about. Remember, these are copyright free images from Unsplash. Okay, then click on that. Okay, so once you have that in place, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and hit it send button right here. Okay, so this will be published for you on your blog. Okay, and remember, once this is published, you have to make sure you share it to your social media platforms. All right, so remember, these people, the fan base of this particular lady or any celebrity you're talking about might be on Facebook, it might be on Instagram, on TikTok, it might be on Twitter, and all of that. Okay, but the best part is this: if you're sharing your content on all of these platforms, which are the social media platforms, there are still platforms where you can actually use to get traffic to your website, which I'm going to be revealing right now. And this is the platform this website right here uses to get the traffic. They don't only depend on social media. Okay, let's go ahead and preview the post. This is the post here, and this is going to simply go to our social media and all of that. Okay, you can see the website is already monetized, so you start getting some traction from Astra and also from Monetize. Okay, and that's going to simply help you a lot. So these are the platforms that you can actually use right now to promote your content if you're making a celebrity news content. Okay, the first one right now is Smart News. Okay, and the second website you can actually use right now to promote your content is Flipboard. Okay, here you can actually use Browse Feed from Microsoft Start and Opera News. Okay, so I've already made a full detailed video on how you can actually add your website to Opera News and all of that. So if you've not watched my previous video, go over to my channel right here. You're gonna simply see our blogging 7 days blogging challenge. Go ahead and watch this 7 days blogging challenge, and if you combine this with the social media platform which will be connected to your website before your website will be delivered to you after development, if you combine this is going to simply help you get more traffic and tractions to your website. Okay, so remember I told you I'm going to be giving you some celebrity news niches that you can actually go into right now if your website is fully developed and monetized. Okay, so these are the top 3 sub niches that are trending right now that you can actually use. Right, the first niche right now that is trending with higher CPM and also with better traffic is celebrity finance. Okay, Here you're going to be talking about celebrity net worth. Okay, you pick any of these celebrities we've already shown you right here. Pick any of them right here. You talk about their net worth and how much each of these celebrities earn. Okay, you can actually talk about their fashion, right? So this is where you can actually integrate affiliate network or affiliate marketing to your website. You can make blog content about celebrity tech. Okay, that is gadgets celebrities use. Okay, you can talk about that, celebrity crypto investment and all of that. Okay, so this stuff right here gives you higher CPM and traffic, and that's going to simply give you recurring traffic and visitors. Okay, and with this you're going to simply be building a business for yourself from Astera, from Monetize and other ad network. Okay, and also you can actually integrate affiliate marketing to it, because if you talk about the fashions of these celebrities, people would like to buy them. Okay, and that is where you can actually add your own affiliate link from Amazon, and you also tell your audience that this particular post contains an affiliate link. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Right.